Hey guys, so today we're going to be doing a changing the bushing on our Craftsman LS 2000 riding mower here. We're going to use, here's the bushing here. I'll get it out of the package in a minute. It is Husqvarna part number 532195228. It's the steering here, as you can see, it's very wobbly, so we're just going to change the part and I'll be back. Alright guys, so first you have to take the cover off your steering here, and then you'll see you have a nut, and you have to take that off, and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so then you just got to take the bolt off. And then your whole steering comes out, and then you got this piece you can take out, and you can just take the cover off, and then that part, and then I'll show you guys in here. So I don't know if you can see back in there, you can see that little white plastic bushing right, I don't know if it'll focus, right in there. So that's the part we're going to be replacing today. So here I'll just show you guys, just 1 second, take that out of the package. So here's the part here. It's just gonna go right down in there, and we'll be back. Okay guys, so now we're just gonna take this cover off here. There's a screw there, screw there, screw there, screw there, and I'm gonna assume there's 2 more on the other side. So I'll be back once we have the cover. Okay guys, so now we've just got the cover off here, and then we've got the piece here, which we'll just have to get a screwdriver probably, and we'll pop it out. I'll be right back. Okay there guys, so we've actually broke the piece, but that's alright. So then we're just going to slide this piece out and slide the new one on. And then we just push it down. So we just, I'll show you the other side. I'm on the other side now, so we just took the 2 screws on that side out where I showed you. There's one there, there was one there, one here, and one here. And then we'll be back when we get the piece in. Okay guys, so we got the piece in. We just used the plank of wood right there, and hammer, and just tap the sides in. So now that's in, so now we're just going to reassemble it. And I'll be back when we start to reassemble it. Okay guys, I don't know how I zoomed in there. So we just took the air compressor here and just blew the dirt out. So now we're just going to put the cover back on. So there's the old broken piece. So I'll tell you guys what happened. So it's actually worn. Let me show you. So it's worn in there. It was wearing here because it was pushing up against it. So now hopefully this piece should solve that problem.
That's not good.
So we'll be right back. Okay guys, so now just gonna put this back on just like that, and then we're gonna reassemble with the 6 screws. Be right back. So these we're just gonna turn, just put them in here. And then I'll be back when we drill them in. Okay guys, so now I just got my drill here, and we'll just reassemble. Come around to the other side. And now we'll just put the next piece on. So this piece here, making sure that it's straight, and then we'll just put the plastic piece on it. And then next, oops, put the cover on first, which goes this way here. the little piece at the front, and the big piece slides in at the back, just like that. And then we'll put this on, just like that. And then we'll get a 1/2 inch and tighten that.
Be back.
All right, guys. So we just put the bolt back in, and we'll just use our Mastercraft ratchet from Canadian Tire to tighten it back up. There we go. And now we'll put the cover, the Craftsman cover, back on the right way, just like that. And as you can see, it's not as rocking as much anymore. So that bushing helped. So stay tuned, guys, for the next video.